A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukasema, my name is Ronald Huekwamakusha, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. So, ngatitarisei zvakanga zvichiitika during the Smith regime. The elderly we have today, they were victimized during the Smith regime. They were beaten, they were arrested, they were jailed during that period in time because they were supporting the guerrillas, they were supporting the liberation fighters. And today, the same elders are being arrested by ZANU PF. The same ZANU PF which made them get arrested by the Smith regime is now arresting them for supporting change. And the question is why? It's because these elderly are demanding an equal Zimbabwe, are demanding free healthcare, are demanding a viable health system in the nation of Zimbabwe, a viable economy, viable pensions. That is the reason why they're being arrested. So, these elders are being arrested for supporting a constitutionally observed political organization called the CCC. And let us take a look on this picture. This is a very important picture. So, there is a narrative yakanga ichifamba makore ese apfuura yekuti CCC inosupportwa nevapfana vasati vasina mboona hondo madhara ese ari kuZANU PF. But it has changed. Looking at this picture, these are elders who are in this picture, and looking at them, there are people who are demanding change. They are being arrested for demanding change. They are being arrested for supporting change in the nation of Zimbabwe. And this removes the myth yekuti ZANU PF inosupportwa nemadhara ese vanovhota and so forth, which means right now we have madhara who are supporting change. We have young people who are supporting change. We have middle-aged people who are demanding change as well, which means the prospects of Citizens Coalition for Change winning elections are so high. The probability that Nelson Chamisa is going to win elections is so high. So, Team Zimbabwe, if you are a young person and you are not willing to participate in Zimbabwe's politics, and you let these Madaras to participate in Zimbabwean politics on your behalf, you are not doing justice to yourself. You are actually doing injustice to yourself. You have to reconsider and make sure that you participate in the political arena in the nation of Zimbabwe. Make sure that you are part and parcel of each and every day's Zimbabwean politics so that change comes in 2023. We cannot afford another 5 years. We cannot afford to have 5 years more with the ZANU PF. Look at these elderly people who are being arrested. Look at them. Hautombonzwi tsitsi izvi kuti ndivana sekuru vari kusungwa, vakasungwa during the Smith regime, vari kusungwa nhasi. It's because ZANU PF is panicking. It's because ZANU PF has realized that they have lost change, they have lost ground. Hakuna munhu ane pfungwa dzakanyatsoti kwese rasiri kuba munyika yeZimbabwe ari kusapota ZANU PF. Hakuna munhu asina zvaari kuhwanda ari kusapota ZANU PF. If you see somebody supporting ZANU PF, one ari kudya neZANU PF and ari kuziva kuti new change ikauya haaqualify kunge ari paposition yaari, saka ari kuda kuramba aripo. Kona munhu ari kusapota ZANU PF icriminal, ari kuziva kuti inini kana change ikauya ndichasungwa because ndine mhosva dzangu dzandakapara. That is the reason why ari kusapota ZANU PF. If you see people who are supporting ZANU PF, ihama dzevanhu vari kubenefita directly. Hakuna munhu ane pfungwa dzaakwana ari kusapota ZANU PF right now because ZANU PF has failed. So, Team Zimbabwe, it is your responsibility, it is my responsibility, it is our responsibility to register to vote, to shape the politics of Zimbabwe, to bring change to the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor, because we cannot afford another 5 years. We cannot afford to have ZANU PF for more 5 years. Hakuna zvakadaro, guys. Let us register to vote. Ngatinzwirei vana vedu tsitsi. Tikasazvichinja nhasi, vana vedu ndo vachatambura. You might be comfortable today, but hama yangu rega ndikuudze, unogona kumuka mangwana wakafa, vana vako vachararama upenyu hupi? Uchafa vana vako vasati vakura, vanosara vachararama vari nherera. Some of you claim kuti tichange tine dzimba, saka tikafa vana vedu vanosara vane dzimba. Unofa nhasi mwana wamai vangu, mukadzi wako agosara agoroorwa, imba igoenda nechikomba chemukadzi wako iwe. Vana vako vagosara vachitambura. Remember kuti before 2019, people had savings in their bank accounts. Those savings were in US dollars. And some people were relaxing, saying we have our savings, our children's future is covered. But those savings were eroded. Those bank accounts were robbed. And on this day, havasina any savings for their children. Just imagine munhu akafa akasiya mubhengi make mune 1 million USD for his own children. Right now vane mari vana ivavo havasina chavainacho because it was eroded namutuli ncube paakataura kuti ma-USD accounts ava mazim dollar accounts ndokubva rate yatanga kurova pasi. All those funds were stolen. Vana ivavo vari kutambura nhasi. Why? So iwewe ukasatora decision nhasi, remember kuti mangwana unogona kunge usisipo. You don't know the future kuti ichange yakamira sei. With these people, guys, unosira vana vako nhamo. Let us register to vote and make sure kuti tese tavota. Zvisiri izvozvo, macriminals ari kurerwa nezanu PF, ari kubuildwa nezanu PF, vanouya vakakupfura vakakuurayira mumba mako. So hakuna munhu ari safe at this moment in time. Let us register to vote and vote for Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Ipapo hapana two ways. We are not going to apologize for that. We are going to keep on encouraging people to register to vote and actually vote for change in the year 2023. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Ita be responsible. Ita roho yako. Mwari voitawo roho yavo.